Next one is if-else conditional statement. If-else is used when the if condition is false. If-else syntax is if space condition colon. Press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Pass. Press enter. Else colon. Press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Pass. Pass is a syntactic placeholder for the purpose of syntax. Let's see some examples. Here in this example, I am taking conditions as Boolean values like true or false to understand easily. For example, if space false colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, print inside parenthesis within double quotes, if block, press enter, press backspace in keyboard, else colon, press enter, it automatically takes indentation, print insert parenthesis within double quotes, else block. Let's run it. See, the output is else block. Let's discuss this program step by step. Here, if condition is false, that's why it did not execute the if block. It automatically goes to else block, so it executed print function, that is else block printed in output. A code in between if else is not allowed. See this example. I am giving a print function in between if else, like print inside parenthesis within double quotes. Code is not allowed in between if else. Let's run it. See, it gives invalid syntax. If I remove it, it executes. Remember, no condition is allowed in else. If you give condition in else, you will get syntax error. For example, here I am giving a condition in else. That is true. Let's run it. See, here we get syntax error, that is expected colon. If I remove it, it executes. Let's see another example. Runs equal to int of input of if space runs less than or equal to 49 colon. Press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Print inside parenthesis within double quotes runs less than or 49. Press enter. Press backspace in keyboard. Else colon. Press enter. It automatically takes indentation. Print inside parenthesis within double quotes half century or more than half century. Let's run it. I'm giving input 60. Press enter. See, the output is half century or more than half century. Let's discuss this example step by step. Here, runs variable storing the value of 60. Next, it will check if condition, that is 60 less than or equal to 49. No, the condition becomes false. It did not go to inside if block. Next, it automatically goes to else block. Now it executed the print function, that is half century or more than half century printed in output.